Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to explore how to enhance your WhatsApp experience on your PC by enabling media previews in notifications. This feature allows you to quickly glance at photos and videos without having to open the app, making it easier to stay updated with your conversations. First, let's get started by opening the WhatsApp app on your PC. You can find it on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you've opened WhatsApp, you'll notice a gear icon located at the bottom left side of the screen. Click on this icon to access the Settings menu. This is where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience, including notification settings. Now, within the Settings menu, click on the Notifications tab. Here, you'll find options related to how WhatsApp handles notifications on your PC. This is where you can control what information is displayed in your notifications. To enable media previews, look for the option labeled Media Preview and toggle the switch to the on position. By doing this, you'll be able to see a preview of media content, such as photos and videos, directly in your notifications. This feature is incredibly useful for quickly checking media without having to open the app, saving you time and making your messaging experience more efficient. Enabling media previews is a simple yet powerful way to enhance how you interact with WhatsApp on your PC. Whether you're checking photos from a friend or watching a quick video clip, this feature ensures that you can do it all from the comfort of your notifications. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. We're always here to help you make the most out of your digital experiences. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.